John Dramani Mahama chicha ebeso ne so yan serial callers aye grassroots pani bia ni ho tesoro a ohye floating voters echen yan serial callers.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Chairman Johnson Asiedu Nketia, General Mosquito, Chairman Michiao, Minia Penny, I have friend Fifi Kwete, Fifi Fiavi Kwete, Cinnamon, Medo Benawe, Medo Fua, Ayo, National Organizer of NDC, Obroni, Joseph Yamin, yes sir. Bema, Mikeche, Biaboko, yo. Now, I have a message for you. Now, when it gets to you, let the incoming president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, also get it. You see, I told you, in fact, not only I, AY3KA, all the strategies you put in place. Allegedly, some of you bought weapons, guns, knives, machetes. You gave it to some of your grassroots for intimidation purposes to ensure, say, the vote that we were going to cast now is whether NDC wins or this nation is destroyed. And that was the kind of tactics you guys brought forward for the election. Now, dear, all thanks be to Almighty God, Almighty Allah. You've won the election by a big margin. Now, those seed that has been sown by you, NDC executives, the fruits are getting ready for harvest. The fruits are ripening for harvest. And it's going to be a bountiful harvest. A beautiful, major, mega harvest. Which will be pressed down, shaken together, and given back to you. And I'm very sure that you are not ready for what is coming. Now, you created the impression in the mind of your followers, say, there is a national cake that is out for take. And that national cake, when you come into power, everybody will get their share. Now, your own serial callers, they have a message for you. They are saying, say, they expect, say, that national cake that you have so much promised them, I am manano. More win election every year. And they say, you have to put them into consideration. Say appointments are. As appointment to some of them must get appointments. Some of them you must put them on salaries. And they are right, rightfully saying so. If you create the impression to your grassroots, say, when one government is doing everything for the whole nation, for everybody to benefit, whether you are in MPP, PDP, PPP, CPP, NDC, you should benefit because it is a national cake. It's not an MPP cake. It's not an NDC cake.
Chairman of Usampofo. Yeah. NDC serial callers. Ya ho asem da na koma so pa. Pa! Afofi anto atekoto aba ne oye former chairman. But still oye NDC ni. And me GD say John Dramani Mahama chicha ebeso ne so. Yan serial callers aye grassroots. Penny bia ni ho tesoro a ohye floating voters echen yan serial callers and as active grassroots na ye card bearing branch chairman ne branch executives no. Some penny for no mo share floating voters no ye ne ye hwe wo mo. Inti so mo resource ye ne a no mo kan se party ni be kese power for mo. Said o mo ka se party no ni hini ene grassroots na o mo ka no. E wo some resource ye no mo hwe ye yie. Na ye ne a ya fa sa serial caller we enka constitution a ye de aye adwuma no. was some pe kwan bia so some fan share your friends a constitution ni mu pa omo ma ye ho ade ehi omo na ho asem hi omo na omo hu so ombe me di yie ni ye gina brane se ne be ye form ho e be ye solid enti sai be du bribi no radio so be du mo be ba betena ka sai obi amfre enka twinkyere omo no ma sorry ko enu nti na empanifo adwene ho no msesa yen kra NDC side ni say yen ye di no communication support officers instead of serial callers because empanifo no be kasa as communicators na ye yamam be accomplish omo kasa na et said your mobile kra no awma makra nke ye
you complement what
very
you
well.
say
Inti no so ma hu we nyina na ene ye se sebe kwase du aye nti aso mpire no de mu adie no wonim kode aka ye be bo ho ba ma na kama inti pani bi awo han bi beto so a John Dramani Mahama be ma office bi satana ha no eme ya ho ena nya sa ho de ye o form ase na timi we ni power no ye ka se de sa aggressive ni ba office a wo be dwane agya office no eno de tema ma je omu ebe me de sen committee because me also be some assembly initial stage ni say as me di birthday mani age na so me de victory kranya ni GNT ena na mepe.
And to your followers said, no, everything is bad, everything is worse, everything is messed up. That they should do revolution has a long way to go. I can't to stay. So they did a revo. By revolution, dun 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 dun, revolution, has a long way to go. Pascal to say yes. They are telling you now, say, if you don't know, and you don't know, and also you're a Bema, and also you're Oba. Now John Dramani Mahama more appointment. Ebia as a DCU, as a MCU, as a minister, deputy minister, CEO, whatever it is appointment your mama gives you. Now mu serial callers. Omu for say honorable ye. Who they drop 1,000. Honorable ye. Drop it 10,000. Honorable drop it 20,000. Now say fin. They say skate go pie. They say enye asema yebeti no enye de. See the same tactics, same strategies that you taught them, which they used and it worked. That made them fold and sack the elephant, push the elephant into the bush. They said now they don't learn the tactics. They said now they know, say, since the days of John the Baptist till now, the kingdom of Ghana suffered violence, and the violent will take it by force. So it's either you put them into your payroll, or they themselves come and draw the payroll for you. Choose one. You see, Ghanaians, I hope you are watching and you are listening. I know by now many of you have regretted the choice you made, but it's too late. It's too late. You see the kind of demands people are putting on John Dramani Mahama and the NDC. We told you these people were not coming with an alternative for Ghana. They were coming because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, through digitalization, has alleviated a lot of the sources where there used to be leakages in the public sector. And so people were just annoyed at the fact that they are no longer getting their way around government dealings and making excessive money for themselves. But you guys did not listen to us. You guys say kinky price. You guys say whatever, no problem. But this is what is ahead of us. And I hope and pray that this will be a lesson we will learn this time, and that we will transfer to generations that will come after us, so that we will vote based on issues, not based on sentiments. Until then, this has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, let me know what you think about the topic we are discussing. Subscribe, turn on the notification, and don't forget to share the link. Share the link to your platforms. Let more people watch and also come on board and give their suggestions. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.